If you want to remove your background without a green screen, this video is for you. In this tutorial, I will show you how to remove background in CapCut Desktop using the built-in tools, so you can place yourself anywhere and get the clean results for your edits. So let's get started. Just in case you're wondering why is the timeline looking so busy, it's because this is like a CapCut series. So in previous video, we've spoken about other things and basically the most interesting things you need to know when it comes to using CapCut. For example, there's a video of me here literally translating my voice from speaking English to speaking Chinese. We've got motion tracking, we've got camera tracking, and like just think of the interesting things you can do with CapCut we have here. If you're a complete beginner, creating your first video, storytelling, and just applying effects and filters, make sure you actually check this out. You'll do yourself a great favor. So now, without wasting your time, just get straight into remove background. It's very simple when it comes to removing background. Like name implies remove background. Let me just start. Let me just bring the video or a picture or something. Let me see what should I use. Okay. I'm gonna work with this. I'm gonna work with these two clips right here. And I can use this. Let me use this one or this man on a mountain here. So you can see, click on it, and I come here that says well, remove background. As you can see, remove background. So we have auto remover, custom remover, and chroma key. So let's just explore auto remover. Like it says automatically just going to take out everything in the background. As you can see, just click on it, automatic. It loads pretty quickly, and yeah, once it's done, it's done. You can see. So the mountain, everything is gone. As you can see, done. New different location. But now this doesn't work. Whenever you remove a background, you need to replace it with a new background. Also, I don't know if in case you noticed, we only have three options before: auto remover, custom, and chroma key. Immediately we applied auto remover, we have something called stroke here. So you can apply stroke, you can see. It doesn't actually kind of fit this particular one, but sometimes it actually fits. So I think this one kind of works. You can just change the color a bit. Yeah. You can change the color, red or whatever, depending on like what you're trying to do. Or make it maybe yellow or something. So whenever it's necessary, you can try and like maybe use it. Yeah. Or just you can have it like shadow. So you can stand like shadow. Yeah. So you put like a light here to just like reflect the shadow and something like that. So it's up to you and however you're feeling. But for this particular video, we don't. Maybe later we're going to use it. So now, what remove background has been applied. I'm going to take this video right up here, just drag it up on the timeline, so we can bring in a new video under it. So now we need to find a location to actually put this man. So where's the location it should be? Okay, let's see. Let's bring this picture here. Okay. Okay. So this is a video we have at the back, and this is a picture here. So we're going to move our man now and have him on this man. You can see it wasn't initially here though, just so you know. Initially, it wasn't here. I don't even know what happened. So this is a picture on its own. This is a standalone picture. This is also a picture, but I turned this into a video. More on that later anyways. So let me just zoom into the timeline. Zoom into the timeline. Let's scroll here. You can see. So we brought him into a location that kind of fits him. Yeah. Okay, you know what? I'm going to mirror this and I'm going to come here. I can click on mirror. So yeah. So we're going to put him this way. Yeah, you can see. We brought him into a whole new location that he wasn't initially in. So that's how remove background works. So now we can just even like, let's say you can just double it. Just click on Control C or Command V because I'm in the Mac. Command V. So Command C, Command V. You can see we have a double. Then bring it back here. Or rather than doing that, Control Z, you just come to numbers and just press add minus here. I don't know if you understand how X and Y axis work. You just put a minus. It brings you to this side. Then now you can just click on mirror back. So yeah. So now we have this. So that's how remove background works, guys. That's how remove background works. We took this man or this particular video from its original location and put it somewhere new. Very simple, very amazing. What else can we even add? You can add a whole lot of interesting things. We can add a whole lot of interesting things. Let's see, can we add something new or something else in the background? It depends on us on what, but at least you get a gist now. So you get the old gist. So this is the background. You can see. We can even say, let's even put them in a new location. So we have them on the beach right now. Let's say we have them on the mountain. Let's say we want to have them like in front of the sea. So yeah, we've got them praying. You can see, yeah, you can see that works nice too. As you can see, yeah. So what else? So what else? What else? Okay, I think this would even work better for it though. So let me just cut this one a bit. Let's cut W to cut right. I'm gonna click on W. This is it here. W. You can see delete right. W. Let me just bring this back, trim this on a bit, then bring this also here. You can see. So you can see this even works perfect. So yeah, that's basically how remove background works. For the first one, using auto anyways, using the automatic one, we use automatic. Would a stroke be needed for this one? Let's see. Should we add a stroke? Yeah, so let's add a stroke like a shadow. Too much, so we're just gonna reduce it a bit. So we're gonna have it as shadow. So we're gonna come. Let's see how that's gonna work. It's not really working so well. No, it doesn't work. You know what? Let's just. I wish I can make it can glow. Opacity. Okay. Let's have like a glow on their skin. Okay. So like a glow on the skin. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna pick the color from the sun. It doesn't really work. Let me pick a different color from the sun. Oh yeah, you can see it. So it looks as if it's glowing. Something similar. So that's actually how that one works. So yeah, this kind of looks nice. It gives us like this glow effect for this particular one. See, it doesn't really work here. It kind of works on the mountain too, anyways. So yeah, that's basically when it comes to using what's it called? The auto removal option. Now let's use the custom removal. Custom removal is actually very, very interesting. It gives you like more flexibility to do more things. So yeah, because sometimes auto removal can be a bit off. The AI system can be a bit all over the place. So let's get like a different video now to do the custom. So let's bring in this video right here. So yeah. So I'm going to do two things now. I'm going to copy this video. I'm going to copy and duplicate it. I'm going to click on copy, then right click and do paste. So we have two of it. So I'm going to apply auto removal on this one. And I'm going to apply custom removal on this one. So let's see. You can see auto removal took out the face of a lion and everything you can see. So that's the reason why auto removal you can have issues sometimes with it. You can see it can be a bit all over the place. But for custom, now we're going to select manually by ourselves. So hopefully we get something good with custom. So yeah, we select what we want manually. Click on size. You know, you can see the man. We want the lion. We want the lion. We want the lion. We can make a brush bigger though. I know. I'm not making the brush bigger. So we select what we want manually. So yeah, that's just. So you can see it's processing, and yeah. So you can see yeah, apply. Guys, like I said, this is way better. You can see. So I wanted you guys to see the difference, and I'm sure you've seen the difference now. So with auto removal, it was like cutting out part of their body and things like that. But with custom, you can see you actually select. Okay, I want you to maintain this particular feature or this particular person or whatever I have in the video. So yeah, that's pretty good. So the same thing we just did for the previous one. I'm going to move it up a bit, then put it in a new background. So what background should we actually put this? What background should we put them? We need a background because you need to find a background that works. You can't just put them anywhere. You can just put them anywhere. You need to like find a background that actually works for whatever you want to do. So this is not going to work. Nah, it's obvious it's not real. But what if you zoom in though? Because yeah, that's the thing. When it comes to background you need to like sometimes probably have to scale your background to fit what you're trying to do. And yeah, I think this one, so you can see that this line here. So let's just zoom in this also a bit, just to fill out that line. Okay, get it. So I think this kind of works. Zooming in kind of help us. Yeah. So yeah, let's just move. Let's try and make the sun show. No, we don't want the river to show. We want the clouds. So yeah. Yeah, this kind of works. This is nice. You can see here this works. Sorry, this works really, 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 really nice. This works really, really nice. You can see auto removal, the lines were fading and fading out. Custom removal, everything was maintained. And yeah, more things on custom removal. Also, whenever you add apply remove BG, you automatically have the what's it called? The stroke option to apply stroke to things. And let's see. No, nope, nope, nope. So yeah. There are times when the stroke works anyways. I'm going to show you when the stroke's actually needed. But for now, we actually don't need stroke. Then yeah, this is erase anyway. So let's say you want something, you just erase it if you don't want it. But yeah, I actually do want. So yeah. Then this is a manual. You can just manual because I don't know if you noticed, but when I was selecting the AI tool was like actually helping me select also. And also this is also like eraser to here, manual eraser. So yeah, before we move any further, I want to I turned it off. Oh, so I need to apply. Okay, yeah, I need to apply this again because yeah, it's good now. So now let me now show you scenarios whereby stroke might come or might be useful. Where's that video of me talking? I think it's a video of me talking somewhere. CapCut course. Is that where I have that video of me talking? Oh, yeah, this video of me talking. So yeah, this video I'm gonna apply remove PG. Click on it, Control B, then delete. I'm gonna zoom in a bit right here. How long is 3 seconds? Good. I'm gonna apply auto remover quickly. It's applying. Let me just move myself up. So you can see applied. Good, quickly. So I can just bring in this same video of me talking here to the background. Yeah, so you can see. I'm just gonna put me, let's say, down here. So it's gonna be like a picture in picture. So it's gonna be like I'm doing a tutorial or something about myself talking. So I'm just zoom this one in properly. Or okay, I can just make it smaller though. Yeah. So it's gonna be like I'm doing a tutorial about myself talking or something like that. So yeah, I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to do. Just like a tutorial of myself talking. So as you can see. So in this scenario now, I can apply stroke on this. I can just apply stroke and put stroke on my body. I can increase its size of the stroke, make it box, make it smaller, opacity and things like that. So yeah, but I think this is kind of yeah, this stroke works very well for me. It is the size, so you can see. So it separates me from what is behind me. So you can see, yeah, it makes it very, very distinct. This is a scenario whereby having that stroke actually works. So yeah, finally just click on the main track video, come to basic, scroll all the way down to the bottom, then make sure you can, for canvas, select, let's say blur or whatever you want to select yeah, for your background, you can see. So you can just do that. So you have your remove background video ready and working. This video is about 12 minutes already. In the next video, I think this video is going to have a part 2, and in the next video, I'm going to talk about having using chroma key. I've talked about custom already. In the next video, I'm going to talk about using chroma key. So let's make sure we check out that one. That's going to be very, very interesting. That's a whole new level when it comes to like you move background and everything. Yeah, it's really, really fun. You'll be surprised how interesting that one is. So make sure you check out that one in the next video.